tunasitisha matangazo haya ya moja kwa moja kuwaletea tangazo la kuhuzunisha
ambapo Raila Amolo Odinga ameaga dunia.
Na mtazamaji, habari tunazozipokea kutoka India zinadhihirisha kwa
Iwasem news emilane ramogi ekaresem news emilane lolwe Iwasem news emilane mayenga kendo sem news emilane wangjoyi Elizabeth Odada wilolo ni toma wanga maria Iwakaradiera ni toma wanga maria Claro.
In terms of removing those flags from the vehicles, is a great honor. It's a sign of respect. It's a sign of love.
This is the video that we promised you earlier, and this is the removal of the flag from the official vehicle of the President of the Republic of Kenya, in line with that.